So earlier we have seen how to take care of the exponent when we have 5 to the 8th power over 5 to the 4th power. But what if the question is asking us to do 5 to the 8th power times 5 to the 4th power? How can we take care of the exponent in this case? So it's not fun to just tell you what the answer is, so let me explain what's the idea behind this. Just like what we did earlier, let's take a look at 5 to the 8th power first. And what does the 8th power mean? It means that we are going to write down the number 5, the base, 8 times, and then we are going to multiply them together. So we will write this down as, we know this is the same as, and I'm going to write down 8 of the 5s and multiply them together. So we have 5 times 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 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the 5s multiplying together, and that's what it means for 5 to the 8th power. And then we still have this original multiplication, the one in black. So let me put this down right here. And what does the 4th power mean right here? This 4th power means that we are going to take the 5, write it down 4 times, and then multiply them together. And then we'll write down the expanded version for this for you guys. So we'll write down 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Alright, so as you can see in this case, we have nothing but just multiplication. We have a long string of 5s. How many 5s do we have altogether? Here we have 8 of them, and then we multiply with another 4. Altogether, we have 12 of them. So we can rewrite this right here to be 5 raised to the 12th power. And of course, you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's the 12th power. And as you can see, the base number, the 5, stays the same. And of course, the question wouldn't ask you what's the actual value of this, because it's just kind of tedious, like to multiply the 5 12 times. But you need to know how to work with exponents right here. And let's just do a quick review. How exactly did we end up with a 12? And this is pretty much another rule of exponents right here. Let me put it down here. When we have a number, let's say b, that's the base, and then let's say this is raised to the n power, and we multiply with the same base raised to a different power, that's just n power. Well, when we multiply and when they have the different power with the same base, what we do is the base stays the same, and then we just need to add the exponents. So I just need to do whichever this number is, let me just write down the n, and then we will add this power, which is the n, and let me just put it down right here. So this is another rule of exponent, and this is for the addition situation. So as you can see, the quick way to do this question is look at the 8, and we add it with the 4. So that's how we can get the 12 right here. We just do 8 plus 4. That's how we can get the 12 without writing this down. Okay, that's the idea. This is it. And check out my next video for 5 to the 8th power raised to a 4th power. That's the next rule of exponents.